you're new and welcome back if you're not. I am super excited because in a few days I'm going to the Dominican Republic with my boyfriend. It is our first trip together and it's my first trip since I went to Europe in 2018. So very excited about this. Cut into it.
No, I don't like this pressure.
I'm already starting to prepare because I'm one of those people, like, I can't do it a couple of days before. I need to know what I'm wearing. Stopped at Shoppers Drug Mart and I picked up the La Roche-Posay Antelios extra large 60 SPF. They have a promotional package that comes with an after sun gel and the Toleraine cream, which I actually really like. I've tried it before. Wow, it's only 3 ml. What? Okay. There are babies who spit up more than my boyfriend and I are going to be using these. I mean, he needs it more than I do because he's pink. I bought a bikini for the first time in a really long time because I could never really justify getting a bikini like this unless I was going somewhere. So I got this one from Magie. It's so cute and it's reversible. It was hella expensive though, I'm not even gonna lie. And I love the crochet on the cup. It makes your boobies look really good. Top was 101 and the bottom was 84. So originally this bikini would have cost me $185 before tax, but it ended up costing me $183 after tax. I got a $25 rebate. What are they called? Like mesh bags. They're really nice for produce. I got this kind of crochet top from H&M, which is $29, which would look cute with anything high-waisted. Another top with the white trim. I love these ribbed tank tops. They're super handy. This isn't that cute, but I got this on special at Aerie. It's a one piece and it's got a low back and the bum is pretty cheeky. I need to try all these on to see if I'm even going to bring it, but this is quite old. Look at these little stars on the ties. I don't love triangle tops. The Magie one is a triangle top, but it has straps that don't tie around the neck, which is my preference. I like to have a conservative bathing suit once in a while because like some days you feel self-conscious, you're a little bit bloated and things, and
I'll do the best I can, but when I got
throw these all in the luggage and then try things on before I decide on what I'm going to keep in there. Yeah. So I need to go get my luggage. Pretty sure this is going to be the bag that I'm bringing. That red one is a carry-on. I think that's enough. Since this is just a regular beach trip, all I need is space for pajamas, bathing suits, dresses, some clothes for maybe an excursion or something like that, shoes, toiletries, minimal makeup. I have a ridiculous amount of samples that I could potentially use. I've got these wipes from Olay. I just use these because they're the easiest. I don't have to carry soap with me, but I do need to double cleanse. So let's say I put them in this little zip part. All the body care. I've got all my skincare here. I just need to add in this. I have a hair styling cream to add and I have some dry shampoo, but I don't want to bring the whole bottle. Hoping that they won't think that this is drugs. The one side's magnified and one's not, and it's a decent size but not too cumbersome. And I've got some Clarins tan drops. I don't tan my face, but I want my face to look a little bit tanned. There she is in all her glory. I've got a bunch of summer clothes that I've taken out from under my bed, but they all have this kind of like stale smell and I need to try them on and configure outfits before I wash and put it in the bag. I call this my Flintstone dress. I think this is gonna be a no because I can just tell. This is a yes because it's so pretty. This I could wear as a bathing suit cover up or for lunch. It's more casual. I'm not convinced. Here's another flowy dress that would work really well as a bathing suit cover up. Just looks like that. I've gained weight or the dress has gotten smaller, so I'm not bringing this. But this dress usually fits me like a dream. It's a really cute dress with slits on both sides from 90s Le Chateau, but it could be really good for a night out, but then I feel like I couldn't eat anything. I have this other bathing suit, super cute. I could pair it with this cover up Forever 21 dress. Seriously, look how cute that is. I love it. I I need to pick 3 pairs of shoes. Sneakers I'm gonna wear to the airport, flip-flops, and a pair of wedges and or heels for the evening, some plastic bags, a water bottle, a beach hat, some sunglasses, and things like Pepto-Bismol and stuff, because like diarrhea. Bathing suit cover-ups, underwear and socks, outfits like dresses for the evening, bathing suits, makeup. These are the wedges I decided which will be for evenings, like this right here, flip-flops. I have this purse from Ardennes, which I'm gonna put in because it's perfect for fitting in a room key, a phone, and my camera. My Canon G7X fits perfectly in here, and I end up bringing this to the beach with my mesh bag, and it works perfectly. So that's what I'm gonna put in here. I stick in a laundry sheet in this, but it's a little garment bag that I can use for dirty laundry, and since I'm not bringing any more shoes other than the sneakers that I'm wearing, this can go right here. So this will close like that. Oh wait, in an old Ziploc bag I'm gonna stick the nail polish that I'm wearing on my toes, so that if it gets chipped on vacation I can just top up my polish. And I'm bringing my menstrual cup. I'm not supposed to get my period, but honestly you just never know. And I'll let you guys know what I bring in my carry-on. I always lock my bag. I don't care if TSA cuts it open. If they have to, they do it. But just out of a precaution, I keep this in my carry-on. Always put an address tag on your bag with your phone number that you can be contacted at, and even an email, because you never know. From personal experience, and after having worked as ground staff at the airport, I've worked at arrivals. I've seen how upset people get when their bag gets lost. To alleviate some of that stress, you want to put some of your essentials into your carry-on and or personal item bag. In this case, I'm only bringing my personal item bag, which will carry my electronics, but I will also put in 1 bathing suit and a pair of underwear. You can put those items here, and that way your first day is not a total loss until they get your bag back to you. Use little bags to divide the other things I need to bring. I mentioned that I went to Ardennes and I got 2 purses. I got this sort of camera-like bag that has a zip compartment in the front. I'll keep a mask in there because I wear a mask on the plane. I don't want to be sick on my vacation. American currency and Dominican Republic pesos in here. Passport as well. I will typically wear the jewelry that I wear on the plane throughout the entirety of my trip, but if I have to take them off in customs, there's a little zip compartment in this bag, and I'll just stick it in there and zip it when I go through security. Did I say customs? I meant security. I'll bring a pair of sunglasses, and this particular case doubles. You can clean your lenses with it, and it's helpful when you have electronics as well. Depending on what accessories I'm bringing for my electronics, I like to keep my charger and my earbuds in here, and that's helpful to have. But if I'm carrying, for example, my mini tripod, I'll bring something a little bigger that fits the mini tripod in. All of my gear and anything that I can link will be down below if you're curious. If not, definitely ask me in the comments. Then this, I keep a mini sample of perfume, deodorant. I have a lip liner, a Tide stick, a lip gloss, a moisturizer, some mints or gum if you prefer, a mini toothpaste. I will also keep a toothbrush in here. If I do have sample size sunscreen, I'll put it in here as well. And this is super easy to take out when you go through security. They can see everything in here. I always bring my Swall bottle because I can refill this on the other side of security. I can use it on the beach to keep my water cool. Very essential. Stay hydrated. So when you come in, first you have the closet, then you have double sinks, there's a bathroom area, ooh, shower, toilet closet. You don't need to see. Do you need to see that? Yeah, I want a beer, please. We're gonna have a sweaty beer. Oh, these are so tiny, there's like mini cans. We ended up booking the Dream Onyx all-inclusive through Sunwing. The room and the bed were super clean and comfortable. We had access to a family-friendly pool and a gold sand beach with turquoise water. The water wasn't crystal clear, but it was a clean beach with plenty of seating. We ate at the buffet for breakfast and lunch, and they had a nice gym, which we never used. The hotel grounds were clean and lush with beautiful plants. Seriously, I enjoyed it so much. In the afternoons, we would hit up the water park with slides and a lazy river and the swim up bar, visit Felix and Moises, which were our favorite bartenders. For supper, we would opt for the a la carte restaurants. After that, we would cross over to the Breathless property, which is an adults only all-inclusive. Definitely check out my other travel videos, which are linked on the screen in a playlist, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!